AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Also, HarbachElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So, today we're working on a Kenwood Tl922. Needs new filter caps, needs all the mods done. I have to wind a couple parasitic suppressors. They were missing when the customer bought it. Air variable capacitor on the plate side has some damage. Customer tried to clean it up. I'm going to try to do my best to save it. So, sorry for the lack of videos. I was away at a birthday party out of state, so it's time to get back to work. So I'm going to pull out a Harbach board and populate it and install it and then do all of the other mods. Okay, so I won't know the true fate of this capacitor till I test the amplifier. Looks like it should be okay, but I won't know till later on. So stay tuned and I will see you guys soon. Okay, so we're back with the completed Kenwood Tl922. I'm going to show it working on 75 meters for the customer. Okay, so radio set to roughly, I don't know, 90 or so. Got the 2500 watt slug in. It's on the lower voltage setting. Go ahead, key it. Audio hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. Audio hello, 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 hello. That's about what, 750 right there. Audio hello, 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 hello. On the higher voltage setting. Audio hello, 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 1250 right there. Audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, hello. RF. Audio. Grid current, audio hello, and it works as it should. Okay, so I'll shut it down and show you the inside. See you soon. Okay, so here's the inside. I'll show you everything I did real quick. Those are my shop test tubes. Got the brand new Harbach filter cap board in there. I got my hands on some new capacitors, screw-in type. Ones used in Ameritron amps. Added the meter protection diode, series glitch resistor. Here's one of the old capacitors. You can see it's about to pop. Zip tied the wiring over here and over there. Cleaned up the capacitor more and cleaned it all off with denatured alcohol. Added the strap over here. Does not have the factory anode caps, so I had to manipulate the parasitic suppressors a little bit at the end, so it is good. They were missing, he didn't have them. So I'll flip it over and I'll show you the bottom. I'll be right back. See you soon. Okay, so grounded the grids right to the metal, did the self-bias modification, changed the electrolytic cap over here, clean the input rotary switch with the oxide gold, clean the output rotary switch / band switch with the oxide gold, added the strap over here. The line cord leads are backwards. He I don't know if he changed the cord. I think he just changed the strain relief thing, and I told him I really rather not unsolder it all because I'd have to strip them back and everything, so I just changed the leads in the actual cord, and he said he's going to make note of it. So less is more, you know, just don't want to open up a can of worms. So he was okay with that. And that's about it. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. One last thing. Yeah, one of these tabs was broken already. It's one of them. I think it's this one right here. So someone put washers behind it. This foot, I have the foot right here. I have to put it back on. It pulled through. Might have another one here somewhere. Stock one. So that's about it. So thanks for watching. Again, phone number is 203-892-4119. Websites are amprepairguy.com and also harbachelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. 73.